County in southeastern Colorado, southeastern Los Animas County in southeastern Colorado until 6 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kim, or 40 miles northeast of Des Moines, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts sensing pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Kim. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor